In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a DocuSign link in an email. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and look for the Start option. This is where you begin creating a new request for signature. Once you click Start, you'll be asked what type of item you want to create. Here, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the package that contains your document, the recipient details, and all the signing instructions. After that, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that your goal is to send a document out for signing, rather than using another workflow. Next, upload the document you want the recipient to sign. This could be a contract, agreement, form, or any other file that needs a signature. Make sure you're uploading the correct version before moving on, since this is the file the recipient will receive in the email link. Once your document is uploaded, add the recipient. Enter the recipient's name and email address carefully. Accuracy matters here, because DocuSign will send the signing link directly to that email. If there's a typo, the recipient may never receive it, so it's a good idea to double check this information before continuing. Now click next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you set up the document so the recipient knows exactly where to sign and what information to enter. Add the required fields, such as signature, date signed, text, and any other fields your document needs. Place each field in the correct location on the page. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid confusion for the signer and reduce delays. After placing your fields, review the envelope carefully. Check that the correct document is attached, confirm the recipient information is accurate, and make sure all the necessary fields have been added in the right spots. This review step is important because once the envelope is sent, the recipient will receive the email exactly as configured. When everything looks good, click Send. At that point, DocuSign will send the recipient an email containing a secure link to access and sign the document. The recipient can open that email, follow the link, and complete the signing process online. And that's it. You've successfully sent a DocuSign link in an email. This process is quick, professional, and makes it easy for recipients to sign from almost anywhere. Thanks for watching.